welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to log into another account on Facebook or how to add multiple accounts on Facebook. To do that, you need to first open Facebook. Make sure you have logged in into Facebook. And now, first of all, you need to log out this existing account on Facebook. For that, tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. Now tap on logout, which is at the bottom of the screen. If you want to save your login info, you can tap on save so that you won't need to enter it next time you log in. For now, let's tap on not now. And now tap on logout. Once you have logged out, you can simply tap on log into another account, or you can also choose from the accounts that appear on the screen here. If other accounts does not appear on the screen, you can simply tap on login to another account option. Here you will be required to enter the mobile number or email and the password. And after you have entered the credential, tap on login option. And after that, you can see here that I have already logged in. I have already logged into another account on Facebook. So this is how you can easily log into another account on Facebook or add multiple accounts on the Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.